What's good, YouTube? Jayla here. Now in today's video, as you boys and girls can see by the title, your girl is going to grab her something to eat. Now in today's video, I'm going to be eating something totally different that I never ate before. I eat the same stuff every day, bro, and I honestly get tired. I get tired of it, bro. Eating the same stuff every day, you know what I'm saying? So in today's video, guys, we're going to be trying frog legs. If you already tried frog legs throughout your life, drop down in the comment section how they taste to you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how they taste to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go grab me some. I'm not gonna get too much because I'm gonna be pissed if I don't like it. I'm not gonna get too much. I heard it kind of tastes like chicken. I guess we're gonna see in today's video. Make sure y'all drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Most definitely if you're from my main channel, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I know a lot of you guys from my main channel don't even know I have this second channel. So make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and hey, I'll see you boys when I'm at the place. We are currently 8 minutes away, as you guys can see right there. It might be a little flip, but we are 8 minutes away from the place, which is not that far. Hey, I'll see you guys when I'm there. Oh, I done got here, bro, and they're not even at this location anymore. Bruh. It's strictly abandoned, bro. That's me. I'm not even gonna lie. That's me. I should have paid attention. You know what I'm saying? This is my first time even coming here, so I didn't even expect that. But now I gotta drive 12 more minutes to the new store, bro. Gosh, man. I'm over here vibing and everything, bro. Hey, stuff like this kills my vibe, man. Stuff like this really kills my vibe. I'm not even gonna lie. Stuff like this kills my vibe, bro. That's me, though. I should have paid attention. I definitely should have paid attention. I ain't even recognized. Online, I ain't even recognized that it was another location. I ain't recognize it. That's me, though. It's alright. We gonna get them. All
them niggas around you, bitch. So how the fuck you got niggas trying to hit the fence? How the fuck you got nigga ain't kill nobody. Man's on slang, I hit him. Man's down, call the people. Got him trying to troll pussy, nigga troll. They can't get no bitch. I got meds in my kidneys.
Alright, guys. So, I'm here. Done pulled up. The drive just felt like it took forever, bro. But I hope they good. I'm gonna look at their score, too. Because places that be looking like this, kind of iffy to eat from. But let me put this mask on, y'all. Be safe out here from the virus. Be safe out here from that pox. Bro, I never thought like we would have to deal with some more bull crap like this. I ain't even gonna cap. I honestly did not think so. But y'all boys gotta stay safe out here, bro. Don't bring that junk back home to your family just because you didn't want to be responsible. Just because you didn't want to be responsible. You feel me? So let's get it, bro. Yeah. Order has been placed. They said it takes a minute to cook, so 15 minutes for some frog legs. I swear, y'all, they better bust. They better bust. I promise you they better bust, bro. 15 minutes, they better bust. It's so hot out here, y'all. It's so hot. Inside my car, it's 89 degrees, bro. It's so hot, bro. Bruh, this type of weather make your ass want to go bald head. You know? Well, most of y'all already kind of bald. You just got a little hair on you, but you still a little bald. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. 15 minutes, I'll be back whenever I have my food in my hands, man. Make sure y'all drop a like on the video if you got this far. Alright, y'all. We got the food, man. These fried frog legs with some okra on the side, which he gave me for free, and I really do appreciate that. He gave it to me for free because I went to the old store and I still managed to come all the way over here to their new store. So this junk look good, chat. It looks very good, man. It looks very good. I'm finna tear it up. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm finna tear it up. I'm finna try to go park somewhere, and I'm gonna give you guys an honest opinion on this food, on these frog legs. And hey, I'll see y'all guys back when I'm parked. Alright guys, so we are currently about to get ready to try the frog legs. I'm going to test out the okra first. I love me some okra, you know. Is that hair, my nigga? These some big frogs, chat. Yo, this a big frog right here, y'all. This a big frog. Gotta have the hot sauce. Got to. No, is this hot sauce? Thank God I tasted it. What type of hot sauce is this? Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Thank God I tasted this hot sauce, y'all. This hot sauce tastes so odd. It tastes so odd, bro. It don't taste like no hot sauce. Good thing I tried. Good thing I tried it before I put it on my food, man. Good thing. I've been mad. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. The season the okra good. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. Cause what if I don't like it? What if I don't like it? Okay, bro. Okay. That was mostly bone. Gotta try some meat. Okay. Yo, at least like the meat on this mother white, like pure white, like, you know what I'm saying? You know how that chicken be having that brown stuff on it? This one fresh. Hey, it might good. It tastes like regular chicken, bro. It tastes like regular chicken, y'all. It's pretty good. Now, the way they breaded it, yeah, they could have left that out, you know, because it's like, it's more of crunchiness. I'm trying to get the meat. Like, I'm trying to get the meat, bro. Okay, there's a piece right here. Yeah. All right. All right, chat. Y'all boy, try out frog legs. Make sure you get them crispy. I had to make sure of that. I had to make sure they were crispy. You can tell this is a frog, boy. It's on crazy. Like, the meat looks so different. Like, God, y'all. Look at this, bro. Look at like the bone. Like this like a spine bone or something. Y'all can't really see it. Like, you see that? That's like the spine or something, y'all. Like, look at that. Oh, man. Jayla, don't gross yourself out. Don't gross yourself out. Don't gross yourself out. I gotta stop. Let me take this bread and stuff off. I ain't gonna lie, I don't really care about this crunchiness. I don't care about that. I'm just gonna be real. I don't really care about it. Whew. Chat. I'm starting to gross myself out because I'm thinking about it too hard. Jayla, don't gross yourself out. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, Jayla. Don't do it. I'm thinking about it too hard, bro. Don't gross yourself out, Jayla. Don't do it. I'm gonna make myself just feel sick for no reason. When you eating this for sure, you cannot think about it being fraud. You can't. If you do that, you're gonna gross yourself out. If you do that, you're gonna gross yourself out. I swear. Do not think about it being fraud. Because I'm doing it right now. And I'm literally finna gross myself out. Y'all, I'm finna gross myself. Okay. Chill, Jayla. Chill. Chill. It's more of like breading than actual meat, y'all. Dang, what, they had a bony ass frog? They ain't killed no frogs with a good amount of meat on their body? They got some bony ass frogs. All this junk literally just crushed. Come on, man. Come on, man. I promise you, bro. They ain't really killed no big frog, you can tell. This bony ass frog, man. Make sure you put some water in your body, man. It ain't really no meat, y'all. I swear, it's nothing but crust, bro. I really just got robbed. No cap. It's just crust. It's not no meat for real. Dang. I swear, y'all, this was literally just crust, bro. Like, no cap. This is literally crust. I really just got robbed out of $13, bro. 13. A smooth 13, man. I was wondering why it's right here on my thing. I'll rate it. Let me make sure y'all can see me, bro. Hold on. Get it right. I'll rate it a I give it an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, y'all. Simply because you gotta make sure you actually get a good looking frog. Like, I don't know how we gonna make sure of that, but that was definitely a small frog. Like, that frog didn't have too much on him. Like, you could tell it didn't have too much on him, cause why do I got crust? Why do I have plenty of crust with no meat for real? Like, it just was crust. Literally, it was just a lot of crust. But taste wise, it was pretty good. It wasn't bad. Would I just keep getting it again? No, because if it's gonna always be like that, I don't have time for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have time to spend my money on something and not really getting my full worth. You know, I'm not trying to go around here and eat a lot of crust. If I wanted to eat a lot of crust, I could have went to Church's, KFC, Popeyes. You know, I'm trying to taste the frog meat. You feel me? But the frog meat was actually pretty good. It's definitely not a chicken taste. It kind of gives me a fish type of taste. I won't say fish, but yeah, I would say kind of fish type of taste, but not really a fish type of taste, you know. But definitely try it out. Try it out, chat. Try it out. If y'all got any place in y'all city that sells frog legs, fried frog legs, try it out. The next thing I'm going to try out is fried alligator. And bro, I hope that is good. I hope it's good, bro. Like, the fried frog is an 8 out of 10. I hope the fried alligator is good also. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I appreciate everybody who came and watched this video. If you're from my main channel, hit that sub button, turn on notifications, and drop a like on the video. Let's get this video and recommend it. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.